Welcome back. So let's start working. Let's move up, and the first method that we will create, as I told you before, in here we leave a comment. There we go. Create show image dialog. Now simply we will create that method in which we will implement the show dialog whenever the user will click on this camera icon right in here in this circle. So there will be a show dialog in which there will be a camera option and also the gallery. So the user then can simply choose the image between them. So now we will work on that. Let's go right at top and above the widget build, as you guys can see right in here. We will create that method right in here. So we will say void, and it's going to be private. We will give the name show image dialog, as you guys know. So scroll it down. Now in that we will say show dialog. There we go. It's going to take some properties, as you guys can see right in here. We will remove that for now. We will edit one by one. In here semicolon, and then we will take this down. Let's set the contacts to contacts. In here comma. Now right afterwards builder, and there will be the contacts type. So basically that contacts is a location in the tree where this widget builds. And right after, in that, right in the braces, we will return alert dialog. There we go. In here comma, and first we will set the title, text widget. In there we will say please choose an option between the gallery and the camera, as I tell you. Now right afterward we will say content, and then column widget. Right in the column, what we will do, we will show the camera first. So in here first we will set it right at main axis size. We will set it to minimum. So main axis size dot minimum. Now let's move further. Go with children, and right in the children we will say inkwell. There we go. Now in here comma, and take this down. This is going to take the on type event. In here we will leave this empty for now. Later on we will create a method that will simply capture the image from the camera. We will create that method later. So in here we will leave a comment for now that create get from camera. We will work on that later. For now we don't need this. First we will implement the design. So right after, in here we will say child, and right in the child we will have a row widget. And row widget, what we will do, simply take this down. In here children, and right in the children first we will do some padding. As usual we will remove that for now. We will edit this now. So we will say padding, as usual edge insect. We will go with a dot all. So edge insect dot all. We will set it to 4.0, and right afterwards we will say child. Now we will set the icon for that camera where we are about to show. So in here we'll say icons dot camera. We will go with this one, or you can choose whatever you want right in here. I'll go with this one, and comma, and then you'll also set the color for that icon camera. So you'll say colors dot purple. All good. And also we will show text right with the icon of the camera. So right down below this padding we will set text, and in text what we will do, we will simply set camera. And if you guys want to do the styling, just simply, let me do it, style, text style, there we go. We will set the color, just the color, we'll go with the purple. All good. In here we will remove that comma and put semicolon, so the error will be gone then. I will simply call upon that method right down below in here. As you guys can see, create show image dialog. In here call upon that, and now we will go and check the result at a real time. So in here for now we just created the icon for the camera, and here show the title in which we will say please choose an option between the camera, and we have already created the camera. So now if we press the Control S, but before that, if you guys didn't hot reload the app, just simply hot reload the app from here, and then you can simply press the Control S, it will show you the output. So Control S, there we go. Now if I click on this camera icon, you guys will notice the output. There we go, please choose an option, and there is a icon with a purple color that we just created, as you guys can see right in here, and also with the text camera, the purple color, there we go. And there is that title. So working totally fine. Now we will simply copy that inkwell and simply from here to here copy this, okay, and down in here below this inkwell, in here paste it. So now we will edit this for the gallery, or we will go with the image. That's gonna be good, and the color will be purple, that's fine, and also the text will be changed to gallery. Okay, so in this inkwell we set this for the gallery, as you guys can see right in here, and above this right in here we already set this for the camera. Now if I press the Control S, you guys will notice that Control S, and now come here and click on this camera icon, and there we go with the gallery icon and text. Now the one thing we should do right in here, simply we will say in here get from gallery. We will create that method just in a while. So this is going to be for the gallery, as you guys can see, and right in here this is going to be for the camera. So whenever the user will tap on here and write in the dialog in here, the user will click on that, it will simply take the user to the camera. Whenever we will complete that method and call upon right in here, and also the gallery, whenever the user will click on this gallery, it will simply take the user to the gallery to choose the image from there. But first we will create that method, as you guys know, and call upon that in here. We will do that, then we will be able to perform this action. For now, if you guys click, it will not work because we didn't create the method here for the gallery and also for the camera.